Bennett, calm down. Calm down. It's gonna be bedtime. Let's get calm. Cars and Trucks. Vroom Vroom by Jill McDonald.
Hello.
Vroom. Cars and trucks take us quickly from place to place. Fasten your seatbelt. Grab the steering wheel. And let's go. Zap. This little electric car gets plugged in to charge up. Instead of gas, its motor runs on a battery. Battery, that's right. Electric cars help reduce pollution. Pretty cool. Zing! This snazzy car is from the 1950s. It has fins on its back like an airplane or rocket. This car is a convertible. The roof folds down so you can drive in the sunshine.
Ding.
Zing, that's right. How about zoom?
Doom.
This race car goes around the track
1, 2, 3.
very fast. You see the numbers, 1, 2, 3. When the car needs gas or new tires during a race, it makes a pit stop, and a crew of helpers fixes everything quickly. Tweet. If you don't have a car, a taxi can pick you up and take you where you need to go. The light on top of a taxi tells you if it already has a passenger. Roar. A monster truck has a powerful engine and big wheels. It can jump over ramps and do wheelies and backflips. That's a wild ride. The wheels are as tall as an adult. Kaput. This car has broken down. A tow truck has arrived to haul it away. Tow trucks take cars to the repair shop to be fixed by a mechanic. Crunch. Here comes the garbage truck to take away the trash. It has a blade in the back to pack down the trash and make room for more. Old-fashioned garbage trucks were pulled by horses. Bennett, what day is trash day in our neighborhood? Do you know?
Truck.
What day does the trash truck come?
Truck.
Truck? No. What day, Bennett? What day of the week?
Monday.
Monday, that's right. Monday is trash day in our neighborhood. Rumble. A tractor trailer drives supplies from one place to the next. The tractor is the front part where the driver sits.
Truck.
The back is the trailer where things are loaded. The back of the tractor
Truck.
has a hitch that connects to the trailer, making it one long truck. That's right.
Truck.
Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Shiny red fire engines have hoses and ladders for putting out fires. Flashing lights and a loud siren warn cars to get out of the fire engine's way during an emergency. Ding, ding, ding. Jingly music means the ice cream truck is nearby. It drives around and sells frozen treats. There are freezers in the truck to keep the ice cream cold. Honk honk. How many of these cars and trucks have you seen? Have you seen the trash truck? Yeah, there it is. Have you seen the taxi? Mm-hmm. Have you seen the 1950s car? Yeah, up in there. Have you seen the ice cream truck? Mm-hmm. Have you seen the electric car? Mm-hmm. Have you seen the monster truck? Yes. Have you seen the fire engine? Have you seen the tractor trailer? Have you seen the tow truck? Have you seen the race car? Wow. Have you seen all the cars and trucks? What's your favorite car or truck?
Kaji, our truck. Kaboom. Truck. Tractor
trailer.
my truck. Monster truck. Ice truck. Tow truck. Great car. Water engine.
Wow.
You know
Okay.
them all.
Okay, Bennett, good night.
Good night, Bennett.
Good night,
Good
Bennett.
job. All right. Bennett say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.